Elephant, elephant, fat and plump, he walks in the forest, thump, 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 thump. His tail is short, his trunk so long. His tail is short, his trunk so long. His eyes are small, but he is very, very strong. Very, very strong.